To my channel. Here we have the Microsoft Surface Pro 4 type cover, red. We're going to open this up and see what's inside. This is it. It is what it is. It is incredibly thin. Got the trackpad here, which is glass. Looks nice. As you can see, it's very thin. Let's put that aside, because I also have the Microsoft Surface Pro 4. This model is the top-notch Core i7 processor, 256 gigabytes, 8 gigabyte RAM. Yeah, let's open this one up. See what's going on in here. Just like this. Slides out. Bang. Okay, Microsoft's boxing is a bit different to what I'm generally used to. Generally, I am used to iPads, so bear with me. My knowledge of computers is very, very, very limited. This would be my first machine for over a decade. So, this is it. This is the tablet. And, wait. The kickstand is here. Comes out. Seems very solid, the kickstand. Alright, let's put that aside for a second. Got the booklets here, not going to go read it. Got the pen here. Pen here. Pen looks nice. Pen does look nice, I have to say. It's got the clip in the back, the hook. And if I'm right, it just connects to the side of it like a magnet. Yeah. And to this side like a magnet. Alright, put those aside. Got more things here to read, which I'm not going to. Let's be honest, nobody does. And over here we have the power pack. The brick. Interesting. This probably goes onto the side of the unit. And here, magnetically. As you can see, look, it's just really sweet. I could have seen that being a problem with trying to put that in, but boom, boom. That's nice. And obviously like that, into the charger marger. Okay, and what's inside? Nothing. I don't think so. Let me just double check. Alright, let's get rid of that for a second. Get rid of that. Just wanted to show you guys something. I don't know how true it is, but the keypad attracts so easily. Look, like, again, so easily. And can you do it the other way around? Yes, you can. It's new, so I'm not going to risk it, but yes, you can. It comes off, on, off, on. Let's just do the back. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see this, but that is quite neat. That is, stays in every angle you leave it at. Yep, 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 yep. And I guess this bit is when you want to have it on your, like that. It's when you want to have it on your, yeah. Well, in the first instance, it looks very pleasing to the eye. Very neat design, like one of them iPads, I would say. So there you go. This is the Microsoft Surface Pro 4. I will use it for about a month or so before I give it my full review, but this is just a little introduction out of the box. Okay.